this is Samuel's Animalog, and today, as you probably know, we're going to be focusing on this guy. In case you're wondering what this guy is, he is a dinosaur called the Therizinosaurus. He is Russian and had a beak, but also teeth. And despite his giant claws that were the size of Roman swords, they were actually used for scaring predators and digging for roots. This guy was a herbivore. And as you've already noticed the texture, they made it this way because it has feathers. Ooh, and we're almost out of time, so I'm going to tell you one more thing. This guy is one of my top 3 favorites, and we're out of time. Okay, goodbye on Samuel's Animalog. Samuel out.